Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how we can fix Wi-Fi doesn't have a valid IP configuration on your Windows. So if you encounter this kind of error statement, Wi-Fi doesn't have a valid IP configuration, then do not worry, let's go quick into the process. So first method, click on the start button and then you have to go to settings. Now if you cannot access settings through the start button, just simply search in the Windows search bar settings. Click on settings under the best match. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, we need to look for network and internet. Scroll down and you'll find advanced network settings. Under more settings, you'll find network reset. So this will remove and reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to the original settings. So what you can do is you need to back up your connection password or your Wi-Fi password, because after you click on the reset now button and you click on yes, this will restart your Windows, and after that you need to re-enter or enter again your connection password. So you need to make sure you remember your connection password. And for the next method is we can run some commands in the command prompt. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and here you need to type cmd. Now on the right pane, you will find this option run as administrator. Simply click on that. That is something that you should not forget while you are running a command on the command prompt. So just simply follow me for the commands. First command is netsh space winsock space reset. It's netsh space winsock space reset. Hit enter. Next command, netsh space winsock space reset space catalog. It's netsh space winsock space reset space catalog. Hit enter. Next command, netsh space int space ip space reset log.txt. It's netsh space int space ip space reset log.txt. Hit enter. And for the last command, ipconfig space /flushdns. Hit enter. Now successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. Type exit. Hit enter. Now make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. Do not worry for the commands because they will be posted in the description section of this video. So after that, your problem will be fixed. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.